Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing a classic Southern favorite recipe with you, and that is cowboy trifle. So this is perfect for church potlucks or family get-togethers, Easter. You can add it to an Easter dinner. You can take it on a picnic. You can take it to a 4th of July party. It's the perfect food to take for a crowd, and it's very versatile. I will say that I'll have the recipe in the description box below as usual, but yeah, if there's something in it that you don't like, you can switch it out for something that you do like and customize it to your liking. But yeah, I'm going to start with a classic Betty Crocker cornbread. And you can use whatever cornbread recipe that you like. I do have another one that I really like, but it's more of a dessert cornbread. And this is just a basic, easy, neutral cornbread that I would normally use for a savory dish. And I'm going to cook my bacon with pepper on it. I'm adding pepper to my bacon. So you can use whatever type of mayonnaise or ranch dressing that you prefer, but I would add a ranch dressing to the mayonnaise, even if it's a packet. If you want to use a packet of ranch, then yeah, it just gives it such a good flavor that just combines everything, ties everything together. And like I said, this is a huge crowd pleaser. Everyone loves this recipe. But I would definitely say don't skip the ranch. It needs that little bit of flavor in the mayonnaise to tie everything together. So my tomato and onion and green pepper, and there's beans and corn and all of these type of things. Some people mix it all in one bowl and make like a salsa out of it and then just add that as a layer, or you could put each one of these things in as a separate layer, and that's how I do it. But you know, like I said, if you want to just add one layer with all of these things in it, then just mix it all in one bowl and make a salsa out of it. So I am going to add seasonings to my beans because I like them a little bit spicy. So you don't have to. If you don't want them spicy, then don't add that stuff. Just add what you like and make it how you like it. And also for the bacon, I've got some bacon cooking on the stove, and I am going to make sure that it's nice and crispy. First of all, I like crispy bacon. If you don't, you don't have to make it that way. But just a side note, we can't be friends if you don't like crispy bacon. No, I'm just joking. But the reason I say it's better to have it crispy is because as you put it in there as a layer, it's going to soften up in this recipe as it sits together in the bowl. So yeah, keep that in mind. Even if you don't like crispy bacon, maybe cook it a little bit crispy because it is going to soften as it sits in here. So basically at this point, once you've got everything ready, you're just going to layer everything, and that's it. You're just going to layer each one of the things however you choose to layer it. And depending on, I'm going to try to break down the recipe as I write it down below for you, but basically you're going to adjust this recipe to whatever suits you and wherever you're taking it to. So for this size of a bowl, I've adjusted my recipe for this, but you might have a bigger bowl or a smaller bowl. I've made this for such a big crowd that I've used a punch bowl, a big punch bowl, and just filled it up with a trifle, a cowboy trifle. And yeah, it's a huge crowd pleaser. Usually you're not going to come home with much, if any, leftovers. So I hope you like it. Let me know if you've tried this recipe or if you've eaten a cowboy trifle before. Some people have never even heard of it, so I don't know. Let me know if you have, if you like it, if you don't. And on that note, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'd love to get to know you better. And if you like this video or like these type of videos, make sure and give this a thumbs up. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Of course, as always, I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye for now.